In this video, we are going to show you everything you wondered about if you're planning a trip to Masseys Landing campground. We're going to have to stop though on the way there to do a live stream for our YouTube channel. We thought it might be interesting for you to see the background of how we did that from the side of the road. Then we're going to go through the entire clubhouse, show you all the facilities. They were really nice. We're going to take you to the main local beaches, Bethany Beach, Rehoboth Beach, so if you're going to go out of the site to go to the beach, what it looks like, and then we're going to show you this amazing campsite, all the things that are good about it, why we chose it. It was one of the highlights for us. Let's get this party started. Here we are on our way to Delaware, but we are going to get off the highway and do what, honey?
We're gonna do a live stream.
We are gonna do a live stream from the rest area on the side of the road while we adventure to Delaware. How cool is that?
Live from New Jersey.
Live from New Jersey. Hopefully it works, but yeah, that's the next plan.
And we have a Kona man with us too.
We do have the Kona. The Kona's back. He is allowed to go on vacation
Who's
again.
That? You here? Yeah.
Look, there's the sign. 3 miles to the Walt Whitman live stream zone. Okay, as we get off the highway here at the rest stop in New Jersey, I thought it'd be fun to share with you a little bit of our setting up our live stream set, and you can see a little bit what it was like, and then we'll get back on the road. But if you haven't been joining our live streams, you absolutely should. They are 1 p.m. Eastern Time, Sundays. Join us. Hey, here we are. Doug and Nikki in our trailer, about to do our live stream. Spikers are here.
Spikers!
Hey, Spikers! The giveaway is for a cool Doug and Nikki mug.
So Visos, this is for
Raphael, here you go. Ready?
Yay!
Hey,
Travel and tour. Hey guys!
we're supposed to be in Mexico.
Like these are magnets, but let's see why.
Here's why that's a great hack.
Yep, that's it. It's a magnet, and it holds 25 pounds.
If you watch, one of our most popular videos is I had a massive Wi-Fi system that I installed on the roof of this thing.
Thank you,
everybody.
Thanks so much,
and
we will
see
you on the road.
See you on the road. All right, we are back in the truck. Everything's all packed up. We have finished our live stream. If you didn't happen to see this one, every Sunday, 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We are live for an hour talking RVing, talking
about tips and hacks and cruise news, travel news,
everything. And
we have a giveaway too.
We have a giveaway, and it's interactive, so make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, because it'll tell you right before we go live, so you can come join us. Where are we going now?
Right now we're headed to Delaware.
As we get on the road here again, on our way to Delaware, I'd like to share Nikki's new strange addiction. She is connected to this laptop, bidding like 24/7 on really cool vintage furniture. She got an amazing piece, really cheap. Well, here we are at Massey's, which is massive when you pull in there. It is so cool. This is the interior. This is the registration center where you check in. Inside here, there's also an ice cream parlor. There's this desk where you can rent golf carts. Actually, let's go outside and check out the rental situation. So you'd think there might be trouble renting a golf cart with only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Not so. Check this out.
There's one golf cart per stall. There's so many. Definitely really lovely to go out on the water, and you can do that with the kayaks they have here.
After a quick sunset kayak, let's go check out the pool. This is the pool area. It's really nice. It's evening. The pool is heated here. The kids were in it like 24/7, which seems totally reasonable. There's a cool sand area in the back here. As you approach the back, there's a fire pit. We didn't come down here in the evening, so I'm not sure if it was on or not. But look how beautiful this is. You can just imagine sitting by that fire with the sun setting. It's great. All right, let's go back inside again. Last time I didn't show you the ice cream cafe, which was really nice. Had some good ice cream in there. This is the store, which has everything you could need to have a great holiday. Parts and stuff for the RV, simple things like fishing gear, everything you could possibly need. It's all in there. And an arcade. You gotta have an arcade, right? Let's go check it out and see what's inside. Let's cruise past the beautiful clubhouse one more time, and then let's just go and fly over to our campsite, which we thought was amazing. Let's have Nikki tell you a little bit about that.
This is our site, 151, which we love because it has direct access to the beach, and it is awesome.
Show us some of the highlights.
Let's go take a look. Boom. Okay, so at our site, we have a grill, which is great. So you don't need to bring one. They have a great one here. You have your picnic table. So if you don't want to bring all your chairs with you and stuff, you have that there as well. And then over here, you have your fire. So at nighttime, you can grill those marshmallows or toast those marshmallows, grill those hot dogs, whatever you want to do. So it's fun. It's also very cool because you are right in front of the cafe, which has an inside area and an outside area and a great long dock that people fish from. You can go hang out there or watch the sunset, and we'll show you a little bit about that now.
As the sun sets, Nikki's gonna go inside and make some delicious snacks. This is like one of, comment below if you really love going camping, going out, and just, you know, pigging out, eating all kinds of great stuff that you might not eat at home. Anyway, this was delicious.
Let's go see the local towns.
All right, you heard her. Let's crank up the jet and let's go check out the local beach towns, which are about a 20-minute drive away. The Quiet Resort.
Doing beach, bro!
The Quiet Resort. All right, here we are. Bethany Beach, the like downtown shopping main strip area. It is a classic beach kind of town. Tchotchkes, silly t-shirts, shell stores. Let's go check out the beach itself. Here is that boardwalk area in between the shopping and the beach itself. Again, as you can see over here, tchotchke stores. All right, so we've moved on to downtown Rehoboth Beach, which is a larger town, but kind of the same thing, the same kind of feel, beach town, really kind of light, enjoyable, fun place to hang around for the day. Stay eat this time around because it's still kind of, we visit restaurants, so we would recommend you stay, check it out. Let's follow to see where they're going. They seem to be at the beach. Oh, I see, we're getting a fashion show. Toot 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 down the runway, here they come back. Let's go to the beach. Here we have the Rehoboth Beach Boardwalk, much larger. Here again is the main shopping area, the whole strip there. Oh, look at this. Saltwater taffy. That so reminds me of my grandmother coming home from Atlantic City after one of her little bus trips with saltwater taffy for us. We used to love that. My editor believes that you would like to know that Rehoboth Beach was established on January 27th, 1873. Alright, so here's the beach. It is reasonably late in the afternoon. Actually, I would say it's pretty crowded for 5 o'clock on a October afternoon. I mean, it's a beautiful afternoon, so not surprised people are here, but it's definitely pretty crowded. Alright, we're taking the quick helicopter ride back to our favorite campsite, Site 151, or Area 51. And we're going to go inside, have a quick sandwich, have a little lunch, and then let's go and we'll take you on a tour of the bathrooms, because everybody always wants to know if they're clean, what they look like, and what to expect when they go. So that's what we're going to do next. Alright, here we go for the men's washroom. If you see me in the mirror, I don't have a mask on, but I checked first to make sure nobody was in here. It's nice and clean, a good size. These are the showers. 4 very nice stalls. Got a little bit of interesting music I've noticed in here. You know, bathrooms. Very standard, very clean, a good size. Absolutely, you know, on par with everything else here.
And you have a laundry facility as well. So that, you know, people who are staying longer can do some laundry. And you have a little table for folding as well. Very nice.
So we thought we would like to show you some of like the ancillary things around the campground, things that make it complete, you know, like decorations for Halloween, the little doggy park, the jitney bus to the beach, that kind of stuff. Let's go check that out. Alright, so this is the bus, which the jitney bus we'll call it, that goes to and from Rehoboth Beach in season. Obviously it's a little out of season now, so it's parked.
And a little doggy play area, which is very nice. You don't like that, doggy?
Come on, get the doggy. Alright, let's head back. It's getting a little late. Oh, I want to share you my famous speed test. Yes, as much as this all seems like one big vacation, I do work when I'm on vacation, and internet connection is very important. As you can see, I'm doing a Zoom meeting right here. So here are the speeds from when we were there. My report on the internet at Massey's was, when it was lightly being used, it was the fastest I've seen at any campground. But it was definitely dependent upon the time of day and who was on, which isn't the worst thing in the world, but there were big variations between up and down. Okay, I know this looks a lot like we're leaving, but
Stop, stop, stop.
because we're not done yet. Yes, we're pulling out, we're heading out of Massey's, which was wonderful, but there's more to this adventure. We're gonna get on the road, Nikki's gonna take a nap, and while she's napping, I am gonna share with you the outtakes that she doesn't want you to see and crack you up and leave on a high note. You're gonna like this.
Oh, I know. You gotta say hi to everybody.
Uh-oh.
What?
Wait.
Out of our name.
We like the
Okay,
most.
so let's start the whole thing over again. Because I'm starting it again. Take 64! Ow.
All right.
Take 65. Here we are at Masseys Landing. Take 67. Delaware. No. Take 68.